How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back, not to my home, but to inside of my car. Yes, how you guys doing? I hope you find yourself in the best of health, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Now, being that said, I just want to come in here and talk to you guys. Excuse my back, but I just got up, take my kiddos to school. I want to come and talk to you about this mug warmer, coffee mug warmer. Now, it's from the brand Auto XX or SS Auto. Yeah, I picked it up at Aldi for, I believe it was $4.99. It comes 2 in the pack with 2 lids and 2 cables. So the other one is in my hubby's car right here. Right there, that truck right there, that's my hubby. So the other one is over there, but it comes 2. Now I picked the black ones off. They also have it in like a teal blue. Kind of like more towards the, it's kind of like pastel blue, but the box says, I think it was teal blue. But anyway, however, it comes in another color. That's what I'm trying to say. I picked up the black one because it's, you know, it goes with everything. Now, this puppy right here is the bomb.com. Let me just put that out there. This coffee mug is worth the $5 and some change, because you know you gotta pay tax, but it is worth it. Not only do you get 2 with 2 lids and 2 cables, so it comes out like $2.50, but it is good. The other day I had it in my car and I had like half of it of the mug. I'm sorry, I was looking at a message. I have half of the mug was frozen. So I said, let me see how good this works. So I plugged it in. The plug is like this. Plugged it in, and my commute to my job, my new job, nursing home, excuse me, it's about 17 minutes. This cup melted the ice, I'm gonna say like in 5, and then it took maybe like another 2 minutes or 3 to warm up the coffee. So that's good. One thing I must say, if you're going for a long drive, you don't need to keep it plugged. It warms like right now I'm touching the can right here, I mean the bottom of it, and it's pretty hot. So I know the coffee in there is mad hot. Not to the point when you get that good coffee in the store and you take a sip and you're like, oh, I burned my tongue. That type of hot. So if you want to not to get more harder than that, just unplug it for a little bit. Drink your coffee. If you feel as though that it's getting a little bit cold, you can always plug it back and warm it up a little bit. But one thing I do suggest, if you don't want to burn your tongue, you want to unplug it for a little bit. So, and it fit perfectly inside your cup holders from the car. So yeah, guys, again, this is the brand Auto SX, and in case I didn't say it before, I picked them up at Aldi's, 2 in a box for the price of 1, I'm gonna say, because this is actually, I think you could get something like this without the plug and everything for like $5 at any other store. Of course, you can always find them, not the brand, but you know, plain and simple at the Dollar Tree, $4. But this is a good excuse me, a good buy at Aldi's for $4.99. 2 in a cup, 2 lids, 2 cables. Can stress it more than that? And the fact that it keeps your coffee hot, and when I mean hot, it's hot, okay, longer than need to. Perfect. So best buy. Check it out. So guys, that's it. I gotta go inside. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.